Hello everyone, it's Sir Jem, and for this video, I will continue to discuss to you the different types of tool. And this time, I will focus on the selection tool. So let's start. So let's back here with our file. So last time I already discussed to you the move tool, the hand tool, and the zoom tool, which is the most basic tool in Photoshop. Now this time, let's try to remove this or delete this one. So to delete the layers, you can just simply click delete, and then like for example dito sa you can into the layer panel, you can just choose the layers you want to remove, like ito, delete, delete, or you can just simply click the using the move tool, i-click natin and then remove, like ito, delete. Now if you want to undo, just control Z. Yon. We have also here the history. Kung ano yung mga ginawa mo or actions na ginawa mo for the document, andito lahat. So, you can undo or do things na nagawa mo na. So, balik tayo dito, or gusto mong bumalik sa umpisa, then ito yung i-click mo. Now, we have here different tools like rectangular marquee tool or the elliptical marquee tool. So, the purpose of this, if you want to select specific part of the image like ito, rectangular marquee tool, just simply click and then drag kung aling part ang gusto mong iselect. So, as you can see, meron siyang broken line. Rectangular na shape. So, itong sa loob nito is ito yung selected na part na pwede mong i-copy or paste or kaya i-delete. Like for example, you want to copy this one, Control C to copy. The shortcut key for copy is C. Hide muna natin to. Control C, and then balik tayo dito sa tab na to, which is ito yung main document natin na ginawa kanina. So, Control V to paste the document. Now, another. If you want to select yung labas ng marquee tool, yung iselect mo, you can right click and then select inverse. Automatically, itong part na to yung na-select sa image. Then you can copy and paste the image. Now, if you want to cancel or deselect the image, then right click and then deselect. Now, you can also use the shortcut key to deselect the selected part. So, Control D to deselect. Now, how about if you want yung pantay, or you want to select square or pantay yung sides niya, so you can press shift and then drag pa diagonal, then square na yung shape na na-select natin. So, Control C and then Control V. So, as you can see, pag paste mo dito, automatically, nag-create siya ng layer. Then, using the move tool, you can move the layer. Now, if you want to adjust the size of the image na na-select mo, you can simply just drag this one. Or, dito. Just drag. Pa-diagonal, dito. If you want na paliitan or lakihan. Or ito. Then you can form, you can arrange, or you can create a collage by doing this. Ito. Using the move tool, and then yon. Now, ito naman, we have here hidden tool, which is the elliptical marquee tool. Balik tayo dito, Control D to deselect. Ito. Or, kung gusto mo, circle yung iselect mo na part nito. I-press mo lang yung shift, then drag pa diagonal. And then, automatically, na areas na to is selected na siya. Now, we have here, different, sa options niya, we have add to selection. So, ano ba tong add to selection? If you want to add more areas na ma-select mo, like for example, ito, then automatically na-add siya. Ito naman, we have subtract para ma-subtract yung ibang part. And then, ito. Ito naman, pag i-click mo dito, automatic yung something na both common na selected part niya, yung ma-select. So, ito yung mga options niya. And you can also explore other options. Meron pa dito. So, kayo na yung mag-explore. Next tool, this is also used for to select some part of the image. Like, itong lasso tool. So, this lasso tool, ito, you can create any shapes. So, just i-click mo lang, then, kung saan ka nagsimula na mag-click, then, dun ka mag-end. Like, ito. So, like, parang nagdo-drone ka lang. I-trace mo yung areas na i-select mo. Then, Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Then, if you want to transform, you can use the selection tool and then drag, adjust mo, then okay, enter. So that is lasso tool. Another is polygonal lasso tool. Control D. Ito naman is click mo lang to form shapes. Like for example, triangle, or customize na shape. So, yan. Next, ito naman yung magic wand. Yung magic wand is i-click mo lang dito, automatically yung same color niya, depende, it also depends with the tolerance of the dito sa option. So, same color niya, pwede mong i-select. And then, also, you can click this one and then if you change the tolerance into 50, observe natin na 50 yung tolerance. Then, ito. Ang nangyayari, like for example, 100, masyadong mataas yung tolerance niya. So, medyo mas yung color range niya is medyo mataas. So, na-i-include niya yung walang masyadong yung color, nagdepende siya sa color range ng selected areas niya. So, let's just use 32. Now, if you want to select this part, kasi hindi siya nasali, then you can click in the option bar, add to selection. So, ito, i-click mo lang, then ito na part, then i-click mo, and then, na-select na yung image. Now, ang nangyayari is yung background yung na-select. So, you can also use select inverse, and then, automatically, itong part na to, na image, siya yung na-select. Then, Control C, and then, punta tayo dito, then Control V. Then, using this tool, the move tool, and then, ito. Na-select na yung image. So, yun yung mga tools na ginagamit natin to select some part of your image. Yan yung mga selection tool. Magic Wand. Meron din tayong quick selection tool. So, meron siyang hidden file. Hidden tool, which is, deselect muna natin. This one is the quick selection tool. I-brush mo lang sa areas na gusto mong add, so you can use add. Ito, i-brush mo lang sa areas na i-select mo. Like for example, ito, na-select mo tong part na to. Now, you can change this sa option, subtract from selection, then, or just, like for example, ito, add, you can subtract it by i-click mo yung alt, then automatically masubtract na siya. And ito. So, ito yung quick selection tool. So, yung tools for selection tool, ito yung rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, and we have lasso tool, and then polygonal lasso tool. We also have magic wand tool and quick selection tool. So, yan yung mga tools na ginagamit to select specific areas of your image para ma-copy or ma-paste or kaya ma-delete. Like for example, i-try natin yung mag-delete ng part na to using magic wand tool. So, click natin to. So, be sure na na-click mo yung na-select mo yung layer kung saan mo na part na medyo part na i-delete mo. So, just click delete para ma-delete yung areas. Then, deselect, Control D. Then, move tool. Now, sa pag-resize ng image, if you want to distort the image, like for example, palaparin mo yung image, then, ito, i-click mo lang pag blue na siya, yung each corner niya, you can press shift and then drag the image. But, bawal po yan because na-distort yung image, hindi na siya yung original na shape niya. So, dapat dito ka lang hindi mo i-press yung shift. So, yan yung ginagamit natin for the selection tool. Yung tools na yon para makaselect ka ng specific part ng object. So, for the next video, I will introduce to you other tools tools to fix the skin of the model or to enhance the skin of the model or to fix some dirt or other elements ba na nasa image mo. So, see you for the next video.